It might be one hell of a waterfalls in the winter. You know what I mean? It's that no matter what, it's yeah, some kind of old pipeline. Neat. Don't trust any floors.
Oh no.
This is awesome.
It is so cool.
They made electric. This is a big magneto looking thing. Wow. 2 stories. Oh, blew us a hole in the cylinder. Ain't good. That was the end of it, and the town flooded. Killed 210 people, rumored. This place is neat. It's definitely an electric power plant. I don't know anything about it, but we're next to Peter Kill Falls. There's everybody's electric service over there. That thing looks neat. Big turbo. Awesome. It was a little ominous. Somebody's slippers or sandals or flip-flops. That's what they're called. Well, you can't go very far. That's just the bottom of that part of the reactor. And that's about the same thing. Oh, there's a little pipe tunnel. Nope.